Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I just want you to know that I have a series of videos for grade 6, 7, 8, grade 9, grade 10, and grade 11 mathematics. In today's video, you're going to learn about inverse functions. Now, what is inverse function and what is the best word to describe inverse function? Inverse means the opposite, right? Just like the inverse of multiplication is division, something like that. Now here, you're going to learn what is the inverse of the given function. Now here, the inverse function of f of x is denoted by, look at this one, and that is read as f inverse. So there is this number on the upper right hand that is not the exponent. Okay, take note of that. That is not f raised to negative 1. That is read as f inverse. Okay, now, how are we going to find the inverse of the function? So I have here the function f of x is equal to x plus 5. Now, here are the steps. First, you need to replace f of x with y. We know that f of x is equal to y, right? So now, first step, we are just going to replace f of x with y. So we have y is equal to x plus 5. Okay, then next, interchange x and y. Okay, so instead of writing y, you're going to write x. Instead of x, you need to write y. Then plus 5. Next, solve for y in terms of x. So we need to isolate y. It means that we are going to remove this constant here. We can do that by subtracting 5 on both sides of the equation. Or simply, you can just transpose on the other side. Which means here we have y, and this is x minus 5. And then, or you can write it y is equal to x minus 5. Then just change this to inverse, so that is f inverse of x is equal to x minus 5. Okay, so it means that the inverse function of f of x is equal to x plus 5 is x minus 5. Okay, now, did you know that if you're going to graph this, function, these two functions, this original and the inverse, they are just mirror image. Okay? Which means here is that if you have a point, let's say, if you have a point 1, 6, 1, 6 is on the graph of f of x is equal to x plus 5. And here we have 6, 1. So what have you noticed? 6, 1 is on the graph of x minus 5. What have you noticed here? The value of x here becomes the value of y. And the value of y here becomes the value of x here. So the inverse of the function is simply the domain of the original of the given function becomes the range in the other function or the inverse function. Okay? Do you want to try this? Okay, let's have this example, y. If we're going to evaluate f of 1, that is equal to 1 plus 5. So that is equal to 6. So the coordinate is 1, 6. While here, if we're going to evaluate 6, f of 6 is equal to 6 minus 5, and that is equal to 1. So we have 6, 1. So 1, 6, 6, 1. They switch position. Becomes the domain, becomes the range. Okay? Now, you can do the graphing if you want. try to assign two other values or one value more for this two functions, then graph, and you can see that the graph, their graphs are just a mirror image. Okay, now here, we have here number 2. Okay, so we have f of x is equal to x squared plus 4. Now, first step is to change this to, let's do it here. F of x is equal to x squared plus 4. Now, change to y, so it becomes x squared plus 4. Then switch this or interchange, becomes x. This becomes y squared plus 4. Then solve for y. We need to subtract 4 on both sides of the equation. So we have y squared is equal to x minus 4. But we need to get rid of this exponent too. It means we're going to extract the square root. So on this side, we have only y. And here is square root of x minus 4 on the other side. Which means that the inverse of this f of x is equal to x squared plus 4 is equal to, is equal to the square root of x minus 4. Okay. Next, we have g of x is equal to the square root of x plus 3 plus 4. Take note, this number is not inside the radical sign. Okay? So g of x is equal to the square root of x plus 3, then plus 4. Then change this to y, and then y plus 3 plus 4. This becomes y, and then x plus 3. Okay, then change, becomes x, this becomes y, and then plus 4. So we need to isolate y, so we need to get rid of this on this side, or transpose this to the other side, becomes 0. So x minus 4 here is equal to the square root of y plus 3. Now, how can we get rid of radical sign here? We need to square both sides of the equation. This one will be cancelled. So what we have, y plus 3 on this side. And this is x minus 4 squared. Okay, what is x minus 4 squared? You can do the, what you call this, FOIL method. Or you can just simply transpose this to other side. It becomes negative 3 and y. Okay? You can do it like that. Or, if you want to expand, simply use the FOIL method or the special product. Sorry, what happened? Okay, x minus 4. My pen is not working anymore, I guess. Okay, so minus 4. That is equal to, minus 3 is equal to y. So that is x squared minus 4x minus 4x, 4 times negative 4, then this is positive 16. Negative 4 times negative 4, positive 16, minus 3 is equal to y. Sorry. Again, x times x squared, x times negative 4x, negative 4 times x, negative 4x, then negative 4 times negative 4, positive 16 minus 3. So we can combine this. So we have x squared minus 8x plus 13. 16 minus 3 is equal to y. Which means that the inverse function is equal to x squared minus 8x plus 13. Okay? So that's how you're going to find the inverse of the given function. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!